Ciao Tesla people, today I'm going to show you the one liquid that you must change on your Model Y, and it's a very serious thing to do when you need it. Okay, not many people talk about this, and I'm going to show you. Let me put you here, open the frunk. Okay, you open the frunk, you come down here, put you right in front of it, right there. You see this? You need to change the liquid that is inside here. Actually, you don't need to change it, you need to fill it up. Okay, and I put a filter here. I did a video on about this. And the liquid that you need to put, it's windshield liquid. That's the only liquid that you need to change your Tesla. So remove the filter, and that's it. I'm going to put it half and leave it half for next time. Put it back the filter. This is the filter that I bought. There's a link in the description. Check it out. That's it. So this is the only liquid that you need to change on your Tesla. That's the only thing that you need to be worried about it. No oil change, no anything else, filters and stuff. Just the air filters, but that's all the cars have it. But this is the secret liquid, windshield liquid. Okay, so make sure to remember that. Anyway, I'm going to leave in the description my Tesla referral. If you're interested in buying a Tesla, please use my referral. You get up to 1,000 euros or dollar discount for all the models. And also I have the links about all the accessories that I installed on my Model Y in the description. And if you're interested, check them out. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share it, and turn on the notification so to know when I'm posting the next video. Ciao Tesla people.